Yo, what is good, my gang? That you want to know. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to get, oh shoot, no, don't open it. Today we're going to be showing you how to get profile pictures like this. Alright, so first you want to join my Discord, link in the description. Then you're probably not going to have to scroll through much as I am since I have some private stuff. But then you just click this, go up to here, click this. I don't like that spot, so just close that. And I'm going to open it from here. So copy. Just create a new thing. Come here. Now, once you're here, click this. I'll open it. You don't have to click that. You can just double tap it, but still. Alright, once you're here, click on this gorilla right here. Make sure it's selecting like this. And then go to this material. Go to the primary color and just put it to whatever you want. Then you're gonna go back. Then we're gonna go to here, and then just make sure these are at the same thing. Make sure it's high. It doesn't have to be 111, but just make sure it's high for the better quality. Once you're there, after that, you're gonna go back to my Discord, scroll down, and then you'll find these faces. There's gonna be more later, but just click one of them, and then download them, and then one of them, which one. Then click, go to this face material, go to zany.png, go to image texture, then this is gonna show up. Just click this file button. Once you're here, go to your downloads, and then find the one you want. I'm gonna use this one. Once you open it, it'll look like this. And then yep. And then if you wanna, I don't know why that's over there, but if you wanna change the pose, click pose, go to object mode and put it to pose mode. Press this, and then press this. Now you can move. So press this to move. But then you see how it does that. If you don't want it to move both, press this X in the top. So then you can do whatever you want with your pose. And then if you don't want like this, you can go to your other one. Or if you want to move your fingers, press this on it. And wait, did I press it? Yeah. Press this on the one you want, the left hand or the right hand. Then just click this. And then if you move this, it goes in and out. And like that. It's pretty easy. And then you can also make your thumb get really distorted or just completely just destroy your thumb. There's this crate over here for some reason. Nope. I'm just gonna select the crate, just bring it over here. But then if you want to do a matte background, go ahead back to my Discord and download this. And then once you have that one, you're gonna go into the thing. And if you download it straight up, you're not gonna have to do what I have to do. But you'll just go to the source if you do this. If it does that. And then this one, just double click it and go to your collection and then pick a map. Like city. And then you have city. You just might have to drag it over. Then it's not gonna immediately be over here. But once it is over here, you dragged it over. For some reason, can't tend to see the thing that I'm looking for right now. Zoom in and then just pull it in just a little bit more, and boom, now got this. It's kind of look weird and stuff, but that's okay. If you want a different one, you can find it. But then yeah, and then yeah. So, and then once you're fully done doing whatever the hell you want, you're gonna go ahead and click render. Face whoever you need to. So click render. Go to render image, and then it's just gonna start rendering. I'm not gonna click it because I don't want to save this. But when you want to do it, just go ahead and do that. All right. So yep. Make sure you guys subscribe for more tutorials. I'm flipped. Alright, anyway, wish you guys would subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you want to, you can. I'm not going to since I don't need that. And then yep. Yeah, I'll add more of these later. Or you can just find them. Your choice. Anyway, goodbye guys.